Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope all is well, guys. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, I want to talk about the conversion pros today. But before we get started, I want to show you guys a couple more pages I created in the conversion pros for Textbot. So if you're already a paid member with me in the conversion pros, reach out to me and get the share codes for these. Or if you are if you've joined me in Textbot and you want these pages and you're thinking about joining the conversion pros, you can also get these share codes. They're only for paid members. If you're on the trial with the conversion pros, you don't get these codes until you actually upgrade, guys. So go ahead and upgrade, pay your $50, become an affiliate. That's the whole point of you joining the conversion pros, so that you can share your pages, okay, and then receive a commission as well. All right, so let me show you a few of those pages, and then we're going to get into the conversion pros. Okay, here's a page I created. Okay, here's another one. We will stuff your wallet with cash. And then here's one using a video. Okay, these pages have brought in tons and tons of leads. Okay, so get with me and get these share codes. Okay, so let's jump into the conversion pros. I want to show you something real quick before we get started. All right, so check this out.
Hello, welcome to the Conversion Pros. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer, and my job is to make sure that you are successful. Well, a couple things happens when you first join the Conversion Pros. The first thing is we need to determine what you're looking to do, because there's basically two types of people that use the Conversion Pros. The first person is a person that's looking to build their current business, get more leads, get more sales, learn how to market, build landing pages and sales funnels. Perfect, we can do that for you. The second person is someone that might not be in a business, but likes the Conversion Pros affiliate program and wants to know how to market the affiliate program and make some additional money doing that. That's okay too, because we can train you on how to do that. So below, you're gonna find two buttons. One says build your business. The second one says TCP affiliate. So, you want to build your business? Hit the one that says build your business. If you want to build TCP, hit the one that says TCP affiliate. Either way, you're going to get trained the right way and on the fast track to success.
Okay, so he explained that. Two types of people. So let's check this page out. Hang on a second. Okay, so with this page, okay, if you come down, choose which direction you want to use TCP. Me personally, I'm actually both. Okay, I'm using TCP to build my affiliate marketing businesses, and then I'm also an affiliate because you're spending your $50 every month anyway, right? So I also share the TCP pages for people. If they're interested in joining TCP, they go straight into the TCP funnel, and the company will follow up with them far as email series. And then of course I'm building a business with these capture pages I create, which is like the ones I just showed you for Textbot, and many more that I've created. So you need to determine that you know, which one are you, or are you both? And then you'll find this page. I'm going to show you where to find this page. You're going to go back here. So let me show you where this is, okay? And as you can see, once you find this page, click one of these buttons and then go down here. Also join the Facebook group, guys, once you get started. So we're going to go backwards so I can show you. So to the left here, all the way down where it says Fast Start, you click that and you'll get this page. We go forward, right back where we were, right? So let's go to build business. Let's say you say, well, I don't really want to refer it right now. I just kind of want to build my business, whatever your primary business is. So you happen to click this one, build your business. So you want to download the mobile app. TCP has a mobile app. I so love it. Let me move this down. So once you do that and you click here, and it tells you step 1, download the app. And it even has a guide. Move this out the way. Here's a guide on how to download it to your phone. They also even tell you to go ahead and whitelist the email address for TCP so you can make sure you're getting your notifications. And it tells you to go to step 2. So if you log in, guys, this is where you can find that information. Okay, this system is very newbie friendly and very easy to use, but most people, I find that they don't go in here and even look at it. They just, you know, just say, hey, they'll go to the Facebook group, hey, where do I get started? And there's clearly a button in here that says get started, but no one wants to go there. So I'm doing this video to show you guys that. So you definitely want to download this app. Okay, and then let me show you something else here. So we're in the back office. So right here it says getting started. Okay, but you can go down to that start button I just showed you, that fast start, and that'll give you that page. But you'll go here, get started, and go to the boot camp. See right here, after you do that, go to boot camp. It's a good training that Dave does right here. You click this and you watch this.
Hey, welcome to the 2020.
So, and then you just follow these steps, okay? And everything you need to know on how to do or use anything in here, there is a video for it. Now that happens to be the training. The boot camp training. Let me show you where a lot of people probably fail to go to get a lot of these questions that they ask answered. Okay, hang on. Okay, so if you go all the way down to the bottom down there, you'll see a button that says training. And you see what pops up? The Conversion Pros training videos. Okay, and then right here, here's some tabs for system training. If you want to learn how to use a system, you click that. If you want affiliate training, okay, from affiliate marketing standpoint, you click this one, and then there's coaching. So just use the tools that's here all the way down at the bottom, and it'll say training. Click training and you'll get this page, okay? And then just click what you want. So if it's system training, you click here, because every day pretty much I get someone that says ask a question, whereas TCP gives you the answer and shows you how to do it right here at your fingertips. Okay, so just log in, click get started, go to the boot camp. Okay, if you just want to get your system up and running, click system training down at the bottom. Training, and then you'll get this page, and then click system training, and then you'll find pretty much anything you want right here. How to add a video. Someone just asked me that the other day. Here it is right here in the back office, and it tells you how to do it in 1 minute. Okay, so it's right here, guys. This is an awesome system, very user friendly. Plug and play pretty much. And if you don't want to build your own pages, they have pages that's already built for you. Okay, now if you've joined me, of course, reach out to me. I'll be happy to give you my share codes for any pages that I've created once you actually upgrade. You pay $50, you're a paid member, contact me. I'll shoot you an email with the share codes that you may be interested in. If it's Textbot, just let me know, hey, it's Textbot. I'll send you those codes. Now, if you want pages that's already created, you don't want to be creative, click landing pages. You log in, click landing pages. As you can see, here's all the different niches: weight loss, fitness, medical, hemp, coffee, travel, makeup, skincare, crypto, money, lifestyle, women, work at home moms, stocks, forex, water. It goes on and on and on. Okay, so let me show you how simple it is. Let's say you want this page right here. Let's go with this, and I'm going to show you a page I created. Say you want this one. You just click it. Now you want to preview it. Let's say you say, well, I want to preview it first. Okay, yeah, that's the page you want. Okay, so let's say you want that page. You click here and you click copy. Okay, click yes, because you want to edit it. Voila, there you are. Name it right here. Name it whatever you want, and they ask you what autoresponder do you want to use, and you select it. If you don't have one, they have a generic one in here. Again, get with me. If I have an autoresponder that's already created for what you're trying to do, I can give you the share code for that. You don't even have to create one. But TCP has generic autoresponders. All you have to do is edit, put your name, your information, your company links in them, and boom, there you are. And whatever you name it, you would click here and you would find it listed here. And that's where you would want your people to go. That's what it's asking you. What's the autoresponder? Click save. You just created, the page is created, now it's yours. Okay, you just replicated that page just that fast. Very simple. Now, real quick, let me show you. Let's say you already have a share code. For an example, I give you one of my share codes. I just created one. The one we just did, I created that one to lose weight. And I'm going to show you how simple it is to replicate it and copy it. So I have the share code. I've copied it. You go to pages. You click pages right here, page builder. And you click use share code, right? Click there. All I'm going to do is paste it. This is the one I just did for the lose weight. I just did a demo. Click save. Okay, and it's saying page has been copied. Enter more or edit. Okay, so I'm ready to edit it. Okay, so all you would do is click edit from one of the share codes I've given you, and see, there's the page. It was already created. Now all you would have to do is go in here and drop down what autoresponder email campaign you want it to go to. Click save. You just replicated it. That's how you do it with a share code someone actually gives to you. Okay, very simple. This is really an easy system. Now, here's one of my capture pages I created for my health and wellness affiliate business that I'm working. I created this in the Conversion Pros right here for my HB Naturals. So for any of you guys out there in HB Naturals, join me in TCP, or if you've joined me in Textbot, you can get my share code for this. Check this out. I created this page, Living with Inflammation and Pain, and I just edited it to match what the website says at HB Naturals, plants over pills, and voila. Okay, so TCP is awesome, guys. You can use this turnkey system. Okay, it's a turnkey marketing system as well as an affiliate training platform. Okay, so you get unlimited pages, unlimited autoresponder, unlimited capture pages. For $50, you cannot beat it. And when you refer others to the system, you make $25 for every referral, and that's residual. As long as those members continue to pay their $50, you make $25 over and over and over and over, month after month after month. Okay. Okay, so here is some sales I've created, $7,331.20 in the Conversion Pros, referring other people to this system. Okay, so you can do the same, guys. Basically, it's not even, I don't even think about it. I'm just sharing my pages, and then people want the pages, and then, you know, I get a commission for that. Okay, so initially, I was actually just creating marketing pages. And then people just, you know, wanted those pages, and the only way they could get the pages is to join me in the Conversion Pros. And so I end up making commissions from those folks joining. Those $25 commissions add up very quickly. Okay, now this is one of the pages. You get 4 websites, okay, that the company has created for you as an affiliate. Okay, so just sharing these pages, it's already coded to you, your own personal link. Share these, and when people sign up to be an affiliate, they pay their $50, you make $25. All right, so with that being said, you can also take a free trial. Okay, 2-week free trial of it to see how you like it before you pay your $50. All right, so I'm gonna put the link below. Go ahead and get started. Get your pages set up. Again, if there's share codes that I have that you're interested in, reach out to me, but you must be a paid member. I'll put the link below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'll see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.